Hey everyone, it's Dawn and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm in the mood to work with those peacock colors again, and today I'm going to build a dirty cup in my new plastic measuring cup from the dollar store. Oh, I didn't realize the sticker was coming off, so I'll take that off. And I haven't decided if I'm going to do a wandering ring pour or just a tree ring pour. I'm sorry. That price sticker was stuck to my gloves. Anyway, we're going to build a dirty cup here, layer these paints, and then we're going to do a ring pour of some sort. Looks like a thread of canvas. Okay, so anyway, let's just get started. Obviously, whatever's on the bottom is going to come out at the end in the middle, so we'll start with this nice bright green. I'm wondering if I should layer the colors several times. Let's do them twice. So let's put about half the paint in. Maybe. See, there we go. And how about this metallic cobalt blue? Oh, those are pretty colors together, aren't they? Well, maybe I'll kind of build it side to side. This is my Craftsmart gold paint, and I put a little bit of white, titanium white in it, just to lighten it up because all these other colors are medium to dark. And I just put, I don't know, probably 2 tablespoons of glitter in there, so we can up the pizzazz factor. Just pour them side to side, different colors. I don't know. I guess we'll see how it goes. Maybe some purple. It often doesn't matter how you layer them in the cup anyway, mainly because when you start pouring it out, they just do what they want. But that's okay. So I'm thinking at least 3 of these colors are metallics. I'll do a little bit of black. Black, I want it to just kind of lay on top. I don't want it to mix too much with the other colors. All right, and this purple. That purple is not sitting on top. Okay, that's all right. Sometimes you just gotta let the paint do what it wants to do. Right now, the cup almost looks like I'm doing a puddle pour in it. If that's the case, let's put some on both sides. All right. Who's next? Let's go back to the bright green. There. Some over here. Actually, I'm going to save just a little bit there. And go back to black. It's a little thicker than some of the other paints because it was left over from a different pour. And I didn't add any water or Floetrol to it to thin it out. So we'll leave it thick, and maybe it won't blend too much with some of these other colors. Well, it's probably time to put some more gold in here. There's a reason why we went with gold. Because I want bling. So on that side, put some on the side. Where are we at here? There's about 10 ounces of paint in there. This is a 12 by 16 canvas. And you know what? It might be enough already, but I have all this paint, so I'm just going to keep pouring paint. can always I can always leave it in the cup and do another pour. So that's pretty much the end of the deep violet, so we'll just get it in there. All right. Set that aside. I'm just going to get a paper towel here. No sense being too messy just yet. That's what tilting's for getting messy. All right. This is the metallic cobalt blue. I just realized I'm probably working right at the edge of the shot here, so I'm going to move that so you can see it a lot better. Now, how about some blue? This is just metallic blue. Finish that off. There we go. I can see a lot of black from where I'm sitting. I don't know that we need a lot more black, but I'm going to use it up anyway, because I don't want it left over again. All right. Okay. Maybe a little more gold. Get some over here. I know the gold looks really light right now, but the Floetrol is clear. Sorry, it's white now, but it'll dry clear. So the gold will be a little bit darker when it does dry. So I got purple and green left. Let's go green and then purple. Why? Well, why not? So, as you can see, the colors in the cup are layered kind of nicely, already in their own little funny shape. Kind of like a little, I don't know, like two little eyes. Two little purple eyes maybe. Oh, it's sinking there more so than staying on top. Okay, that could make for an interesting effect. All right. There we go. All right, I'm just stacking my cups off camera here so I don't knock them over. Give me a little more room over here. All right. So, isn't that pretty? So I think I'm going to do a ring pour, and we'll wander this way, and then we'll go right back up through it. So let's try that. Oh, it's just a spot of purple paint. All right. Let's do it. That's kind of neat looking before we even do anything to it. So, lots of paint here, so, ooh, little bubbles popping here and there. That would be because of the Floetrol. So, let's just see if we can work it slowly. I said there's actually a lot of paint on here. Probably way more than I needed. I'm going to turn this around and try to work back to this corner. I don't know if you see, but there's little bubbles popping here and there. And they're mostly gold colored, which is kind of neat. There's lots of pops of the gold glitter. Actually, I want to stretch those stripes just a little bit over here. So maybe we'll just run some of that off that way. Because we can. Come on this way. There it comes. Yeah, I'm not as chatty as usual tonight. I worked today. I'm just a little bit tired, but it's always nice to come home and paint. So, let's try to run it that way, and then I want to stretch those tiger stripes on the one side back a little bit. Don't want to lose them all off the edge, but all right. Let's stretch it back this way. There. I think I like that. So I'm going to slip these gloves off. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of paint on my gloves too. Wow. Oh, looks pretty in there too. Anyway, I'm going to go grab my torch. It's just 2 steps this way. Even though there's no silicone in here, the Floetrol does give cells, so let's see if it wants to give us any more before we're done here. I'm going to take a popsicle stick. I'm going to run it around the edge because there's still quite a bit of heavy paint dripping here, and we want to knock it off so it doesn't pull the design off the front. Okay, I'm going to let that do what it wants to do for a couple minutes, and I will be back with a close-up. And here we are back with a close-up. Now I flipped it over because I think I like it better that way. And I took what was left in the cup and I poured a few ribbon pours through the painting. Just because there was a lot of that bright green still in the cup. And I thought, well, you know what? I use that to break up some of the darker colors. So, yeah. So here is a wandering ring pour in peacock colors. Hey, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Before you go, make sure you like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.